Hello everyone, welcome to Figma tips and tricks tutorial, and today I'm going to talk about the popover widget with Figma variables. So how we'll create the popover widget using the variable, let's see. So here I have an example. So here I have button, and while I clicking on this it is getting toggle and popover. So we are using the popover for the more information description about the button or about the action. So let's see how to create popover. So here I will take one frame and I will create one button. So we'll decrease the frame size. And we'll arrange accordingly. So frame size is little bigger here. Now it is fine. So we have the button here, and so creating the button, I will give some radius, and here we need a text. So we'll use the text. We'll say click to toggle popover. And we'll arrange or align accordingly. So select this. Now we need to give a color, so we'll use some of the color, and here text color, we'll make it white, and then this border stroke, will use this. Now this work is done. Now moving to the popover. So for creating a popover, we'll use first save an icon. So using the pen tool, so like this, and again you can have this. So this is done. Now if you want to give the color, so we can use the different color here. So here for time while I will use some different color, so we can see this. And then now we need a popover content. So for content I will create one body. So here container will have some height, and accordingly we can arrange this chevron icon also. So control this and make it middle. So now it is not looking that much appropriate, so we'll change the color here. So once we'll done with this, so now here I'm giving radius 2 pixel, and then this will use the effect, and this background, instead we can use some color. So here I'm going to give some border, and now I'm not using the fill color. So here it is. Now this chevron I am going to use this here, and we can give the fill color also, so it is little visible, so we can keep it here. And if you want, so we can make it this smaller size, and then we can give the effect. And now we need to give the title and the body content. So for title and body content, we take rectangle here, we'll keep a little more height, and this we can give the color, so it can differ. So here we need to give radius, so it will look aligned. Now we need a text, so we'll use this text, and here I'm using the text like pop over title, and we'll reduce the font size to 8, and we can place it, so this is exact here. Now we'll select this and we'll align middle. So next I'm going to write some content. We'll just copy this and we can write so this font we need to align left, and then this font size we can make it 6 pixel. So accordingly we can give the font size as we are using for the different resolution, either desktop or the mobile application. So now this is done. So what now next need to do, so here I will select all, and before that we can make it this align. So this is the over rectangle and this is the vector, so it will come to middle, and now select this, group it, and we can say this pop over, and the same way we can align this to here. So this work is done. Now come to the local variable. So here I have created the popover, so again I will create new. So here boolean, can give a name pop popover, which will be false. And now this is button, so we'll group this and we can say as button. Now the interaction, so clicking on this, so before that this popover, select this and pass through popover. So any of the collection we can go and select this, go to prototype, interaction, click. So here we will add the conditional. So conditional, if popover equal to false, then set variable popover true, else popover false. Now we'll preview this. It is working fine. So how is the Figma variable trick? Please let me know. Write on the comment. Thank you very much.